Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Infinix Note 40. To do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, another one is located on top of the screen, and there's also a speaker right here, if I'm correct. Then, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If there's a sound coming from at least two sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from all of the sources, which confirms that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.